Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are diving deep into TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that's gained immense popularity in the developers community. So in this video, we'll uncover its origin story, syntax, features, reason to learn it, and also its prominent users. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so if we talk about its origin story, TypeScript, first introduced by Microsoft in 2012, was created to address the limitations of JavaScript, particularly in large-scale application development. And also TypeScript enhances JavaScript by adding optional static typing, making it easier to catch errors during development, and also ultimately improving code quality and maintainability. So yeah, now let's talk about TypeScript syntax. If you're familiar with JavaScript, learning TypeScript will be a breeze. It shares a lot of syntax with JavaScript, but with the added benefit of static typing, the type system allows you to define types of variables, functions, and more, enhancing code clarity and robustness. And yeah, if you talk about features, TypeScript boasts several powerful features. Static typing enables better code analysis, catching errors during development rather than at runtime, and also it offers modern ES6+ features and supports modules, classes, and interfaces, making it a great fit for building complex applications. Additionally, it has excellent tooling support and a strong active open source community. So yeah, now you guys be wondering why should you invest your time in learning TypeScript? Firstly, it helps you write safer and more maintainable code, especially in large projects. And the strong type system enhances code quality and reduces the chances of runtime errors, providing a smoother development experience. And yeah, also moreover, many companies are adopting TypeScript due to its benefits, making it a very valuable skill in the job market. So yeah, now the question arises, who uses TypeScript? TypeScript is basically widely adopted across the tech industries. Prominent companies like Microsoft, Google, Airbnb, Slack, and Uber have incorporated TypeScript in their tech stacks. Its popularity continues to grow because of its ability to scale and improve developer productivity. So in conclusion, TypeScript has evolved into a must-know language for modern web development. Its origin story, syntax, features, and widespread adoption make it a compelling choice for developers looking to enhance their skill and working on cutting-edge projects. So yeah, I hope you like this video about TypeScript, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye-bye.